I hope you guys are doing great today. If your VW just threw that annoying EPC light on the dashboard, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top reasons why that EPC light comes on, what it really means, and how you can fix it before it turns into a bigger headache. So friends, let's break it down in simple terms. Alright, first things first, EPC stands for Electronic Power Control. The EPC light means your car's computer has detected a fault in one of the engine's electronic control systems, often in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, or Skoda vehicles. It signals that something in the ignition, throttle, or sensors isn't working correctly. Okay, enough talk. Let's dig into why that EPC light's really on. Now, one of the most common reasons for that EPC light? The throttle body. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, the car can't properly control airflow to the engine. You might notice rough idling, poor acceleration, or even a loss of power. Sometimes just cleaning the throttle body solves it, but if the part's gone bad, it'll need replacing. Here's one a lot of people miss, the brake light switch. It's a small sensor that tells your car when you're pressing the brake pedal. If it goes bad, it can mess with your cruise control, traction system, and yes, trigger that EPC light. The good news is, it's cheap and super easy to replace. Modern Volkswagens rely on sensors for almost everything. If your mass airflow sensor or throttle position sensor starts acting up, the computer will instantly light up that EPC warning. Sometimes it's just a wiring issue or dirty sensor, other times it's a full replacement. Another big one, ignition system problems. A bad coil pack, spark plug, or misfire can cause the EPC light to show up along with the check engine light. If your VW feels jerky, stalls, or loses power, that's a good clue it's ignition related. EPC isn't only about the engine, it's also tied to traction control. If your ABS sensors are bad or there's an issue with the traction system, the EPC light can pop on too. You'll usually notice it when driving on wet or slippery roads. So what should you do when the EPC light shows up? Step 1, don't ignore it. Step 2, plug in an OBD2 scanner and check for any stored codes. That'll tell you exactly where the problem is. And if you don't have a scanner, I'll drop a link to one I personally recommend down below in the description. Super easy to use and works great on VWs. Alright, so those are the top reasons your VW EPC light might be on. Sometimes it's something simple, like a sensor or brake switch. Other times, it might need a little deeper look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.